Hello friends, I am here with my channel Solving Questions with Gauri ma'am. Last time I have given this question for my next video. As you know, here we solve the questions from IIT JAM examination in the biotechnology. So the what question we have taken in the last time is, in viruses, capsids are made up of. The question is from the viruses. The options are protein, nucleic acid, lipid and sterol. These are the four options: protein, nucleic acid, lipid and sterol. So the answer for this question is protein. The correct answer for this question is protein. This is a MCQ type of question. This is a 1 mark question from section A and paper of biotechnology 2020. So let's understand how protein is the correct answer and all other options are not correct for this question. So all of us know that protein, for the protein synthesis, what do we need? There should be a DNA must be there, and from the DNA, using the process of transcription, RNA can be synthesized. See here, if we have a DNA, using this DNA, by the process of transcription, RNA can be synthesized. Further, using RNA, this can synthesize protein. This is known as translation. So, here if we see, for the synthesis of protein, there is need of DNA and RNA. And there are certain proteins which are required for the synthesis of this RNA as well as protein. So when we consider the life cycle of the viruses, what do viruses do? If we take an example, simple example of virus as a bacteriophage. So this is a virus which infects the bacterial cell. So this is a virus which is infecting bacterial cell and it has injected its genetic material inside the bacterial cell. So here how this virus replicates? It replicates its DNA using the host cell machinery, as well as it can form this protein using the host cell machinery itself. So this virus doesn't have to invest much of itself for the synthesis of this protein coat, as the virus uses protein, the biomolecule protein, as its capsid. For the preparation of capsid, it uses protein as a biomolecule. Now secondly, we can have a reference from Hershey and Chase experiment. In this experiment, what the scientist has done, they have used P32 labeled DNA and they have used S35 labeled protein. That is nothing but they have labeled DNA with P32 and they have labeled protein with S35. And what do they find? That inside the bacterial cell, whatever thing was available was labeled with the P32. And hence they concluded that the genetic material is a DNA. So here also outside the cell, what the thing remaining is a protein. So this experiments, using this experiment also we can get a clue that the viral capsid is made up of protein. Okay. Now the second option is nucleic acid. So we can say that nucleic acid has its own function. It has to be worked as a genetic material. So virus doesn't use it as a biomolecule for the preparation of capsid. Then the another options are lipid and sterol. Sterol is a type of lipid itself. And again, when we think about the synthesis of lipid, there is need of other than organelle. As we know that in a eukaryotic cell, this lipid is synthesized in the endoplasmic reticulum. So this virus doesn't have endoplasmic reticulum, it just have a protein coat and it is having its genetic material. So there is a lack of endoplasmic reticulum or any of the organelle in the virus, and hence these two options are also doesn't match for the question. And finally the answer for this question becomes the protein. Okay. I hope you understood the question and why the answer is protein here. We'll have another question and we'll have discussion for that question in my next video. So let's have that question first. Okay, so this is the question we are going to discuss in my next video. The question is the common component in crustacean exoskeleton and fungal cell wall is. Options are lignin, cellulose, chitin and peptidoglycan. This is again a 1 mark question, MCQ type of question from paper of Biotechnology 2020. So you can think over this question, you can find the answer, why that particular answer is correct for this question. I'm going to explain all these things in my next video. So till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.